Back, Nvidia and Perplexity out with a new partnership this morning as more companies are trying to bring AI away from the cloud. Kate Rooney joins us with more. Kate.
Hey, Leslie. So as you mentioned, Nvidia and then you've got AI startup Perplexity are making this push to bring AI directly to your desktop versus running it through all of the major cloud providers. So Perplexity this morning out with that announcement saying it's the first what they call full stack AI platform that can run entirely on local hardware. So local computers. It is going to run on Nvidia's desktop sized AI computer that's designed to really run some of these large AI models locally. It's called DGX Spark. Perplexity said during a demo that the more hardware partners, I should say, are going to be coming. And the pitch here that they're making is about lower cost. So instead of sending every prompt, every piece of data out to a data center, to a cloud provider, the AI can just run directly on this machine. So potentially lowers compute and then token costs, which is a big topic for a lot of CFOs we talk to, but also potentially help keep some sensitive data private. So you're not sending it out there to the cloud in this example. So Perplexity, though, still does say if a task is going to require more powerful frontier level reasoning, the system is still going to be asking a user for permission, and then it still needs to send a portion of that out to the cloud. So interesting note as well, it is going to launch on Alibaba's open source Qwen model. That will happen locally, and then it does say NVIDIA's open source model is going to be coming soon. Perplexity not alone here. We've seen Apple do this with the Mac Mini. It's been betting big on local hardware and AI, and then has this partnership with OpenClaw, if you remember the buzzy AI agent. And Microsoft is also pushing into some of these AI devices as well. The big question is going to be performance. So some of the most powerful AI models still do need to run in the cloud. Perplexity's system itself will still need to send those harder tasks out to the cloud with user permission, as I mentioned. So not entirely going to be able to run locally. And then for NVIDIA, it is another signal. This company is positioning itself in every angle of AI, including some of these smaller local hardware plays. It does also come, guys, amid some M&A reports between these two companies. NVIDIA reportedly looking to buy Perplexity for about $30 billion. No comment from either company on that, but clearly getting closer on the partnership side. Back over to you.
Yeah, build it and maybe potentially down the road buy it. Exactly. Kate, I wanted to get your thoughts on the news out from OpenAI, which released some new benchmarks related to its Jalapeno chip, arguing it has better performance and energy efficiency than NVIDIA's counterpart. What do you make of that as we think about just this complicated web of the full stack of AI?
NVIDIA is everywhere, Leslie, every headline. Well, it's OpenAI in particular has been trying to diversify away from NVIDIA. I mean, we've seen this with Amazon. We've seen a lot more competitors. We've seen other companies try to basically do what NVIDIA is doing. And again, it gets back to the cost discussion. So for OpenAI, when they announced this, they said, in part, it's a way to lower their own costs as this company looks to go public. It's very important for margins that they're able to control the cost a bit more. But interesting on performance, I think a lot of the up-and-coming semiconductor makers are seen as sort of a cheaper option, maybe less competitive. If OpenAI is saying here that it is more cost-efficient and better than NVIDIA, that's something to pay attention to, and also potentially a line of business for them. If it's not only for them internally, if they start to go out and sell custom semiconductors, that potentially bullish for OpenAI in an IPO if it's another revenue stream. And so clearly signaling that they're seeing momentum here. It's not just, for their own purposes. Could also be seen similar to what we've seen with Amazon as Andy Jassy's call it a sort of a new pillar of that business. And so a lot of people have been paying attention to that. Interesting, though, if they're giving updates on it, and clearly they are seeing some momentum based on what they're saying today.
Yeah, that would be an incremental tailwind, that's for sure. Pretty interesting. Kate, thank you, Kate Rooney, this morning. For more.